guys, how's it going? Today we're going to set up the project for our toy train assignment. So here on the desktop, let's just make a new folder and we'll call that animation. We'll have all of our different projects in here. So we'll put that off to the side and let's go ahead and open up Maya. I'm going to pull up my Spotlight search and type in Maya and we'll wait for this to come up. Alright, now once Maya is loaded, we're going to go over to File and then to the Project window. This isn't going to let us do a whole lot right now. Things are going to be grayed out. So to get a new project, we need to click on this New button. That allows us to type in a name. So let's go ahead and do that. Highlight that new project and we're going to change that to Toy Train. And then for the location, let's click on this little folder and we're going to go to the desktop. So here in the sidebar, scroll down, find the desktop, and then we'll go into that animation folder that we made. And once we're inside of there, we can go and hit that select button. So here under location, it's going to be your user folder, and then your desktop, and then that animation folder. And when you've got that, go ahead and click on accept. And then we can go and check in that folder on the desktop. And we can see that that toy train folder has been made. And inside of that are a whole bunch of folders that Maya uses to organize its projects. So for example, any of our scenes, this is our basic Maya files, will go in the scenes folder. And so let's go back to Maya and let's save this empty scene. So File, Save Scene, and we can call that Toy Train as well. And so when I save that, that pops up over here. And so if we have any additional images, like for materials and things like that, we want like a wood texture or something similar to that, or let's say like a reference image in the background to model off of, we would put that into source images. So it's something that's going to go into our scene. If we make a little preview movie, it's called a play blast, it would come out in the movies folder. And if we do like a final render, those images end up in images. There's a whole bunch of other stuff, but those are the ones we'll end up using the most. So we can go ahead and close that. And then that's it for setting up our project. It's a really good idea to keep your projects organized and don't just have Maya files laying all over your computer. It's just really, it's not organized, and then when Maya tries to go and find if there's any dependent files, like the source images for materials and things like that, they just end up all over the place, and if you move things, they can't find it, and it's just a big mess. So it's really important to keep things organized in these folders. So in the next video, we're going to do some research into just what a toy train looks like, and then we'll go ahead and start modeling it with our primitives. So see you then.